there's one thing that's standing out to me at the moment that's different with sellers getting ready to sell in this market as opposed to, call it the crazy COVID market. What do you notice they're doing differently?
I feel like there's like a lot more preparing the property for sale. So they're putting in the effort, tidying it up, getting it styled.
Yeah.
They're actually doing things rather than when it was crazy market, it was just you whack it up and it goes.
Yeah. I don't think we've ever booked so many styling packages.
And even like gurneying the driveway and like mulch in the garden. I feel like there's just so much more of that.
Yeah. I reckon that's a result of you just now in this market, everything is important. Every one little percent adds up. So you've got to get it looking right, feeling right, smelling right, sounding right. All of those things in terms of the presentation is crucial in this market. And when you think about it, when you think about our past listings and sales, the ones that have performed the best have been those ones. Yeah.
I think something really special that we can offer as well is the pay later option for all of that. So the trades, the styling, like the smoke alarms, the building cost report, like we offer that you can pay all of that at settlement, which is incredibly helpful for people that are...
That's funny, no one really knows that. Whenever we go sit down with sellers, it's news to them. It's something that's not really promoted publicly that well, but, you know, and most of them take that option. Marketing, staging, getting things ready, touch-ups, you know, like you said, pressure cleaning, gurning, painting, all that, they can pay later. Yeah. Well, the good thing about that is it brings the focus back to the presentation of the property, which in turn means more money, better result, more buyers,